Economical solution for chlorine, taste odor reduction, as well as sediment filtration. Fits all 20 big blue housings and other 20 heavy-duty housings and can replace any 20 by 4.5 carbon water filter cartridge. High POROSITY design helps plugging, maximizing utilization while maintaining low pressure drop. NSF International tested and certified for your peace of mind. 30,000 gallon capacity. Replace every 6 months or when you notice a drop in water pressure or water quality. Pentair Pentek EPM Series Cartridges are a modified version of our EP Series cartridge. An economical price makes this cartridge suitable for taste, odor and chlorine taste odor reduction, as well as sediment filtration. EPM series cartridges are manufactured using a process that yields a cartridge with a nominal 10 filtration rating, high porosity and chlorine taste odor reduction. The high porosity design helps the cartridge from plugging before its adsorption capability is exhausted, maximizing the utilization of the carbon while maintaining low pressure drop. These cartridges are protected by an outer wrap designed to significantly increase the useful life of the cartridge by trapping sediment that typically plugs carbon block cartridges. Top reviews from the United States. Been happily using this high-quality carbon filter for several years at the cottage. Been using this filter model for several years at the cottage, where we pump water out of the lake. Initially, I found that using this filter alone, the tiny algae and whatnot in the lake water clogged the filter in a few days. I modified my setup to have 2 sediment filters, first to screen out the junk, then this high-quality carbon filter. The sediment filters are Pentek DGD5005 spun polypropylene filter cartridge, 10 by 4-1/2, which screen out 50 micron and 5 micron sediment. The setup works great. Filling up the bathtub, the water is clear and odor-free. There is no discernible pressure drop when new. When the pressure drops after a month or so, changing the first sediment filter keeps things going for another few weeks. The carbon filter has to be changed about every 2 months.